Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening Discord and going to User Settings, then My Account. Make sure your phone number includes country code and no extra symbols. Remove any leading zeros and enter numbers only, for example, +1 5,551,234,567. Use digits and plus sign exactly as your carrier provides. Try removing and re-adding the number inside Discord settings to refresh If Discord still flags the number invalid, disable VPN or proxy and retry on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Disable any ad blockers that may interfere with web requests. Clear app cache or use an incognito browser to avoid corrupted cookies. Log out and then back in, or reinstall the Discord app to reset verification flows. If SMS fails, request a voice call and enter the 4 to 6-digit code you receive. When local fixes fail, submit a ticket to Discord support with clear details and attachments. Use Discord support and include your account ID, error text, and screenshot attachment. Mention the exact phone format you attempted and your country code. Wait 24 to 72 hours for support responses and avoid repeated verification attempts. If possible, unlink the phone from other Discord accounts before retrying to prevent conflicts. Follow any support instructions precisely to restore normal verification quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.